Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. So I just wanted to do a quick video about I traveled on Air Canada and my baggage got damaged. So now to claim a baggage, it was severely damaged. So you need to report it to the airport and then they will make a report and then they send you a link where you apply to get a new baggage. I was really shocked. We ordered this yesterday. So they basically give you options on similar baggage that you got damaged to give you the same kind of option. So I think placed the order yesterday. And today I got this by FedEx. Can you believe it? So I'm gonna open it for you to show you. So they sent me a replacement baggage, which I selected Samsonite one. And I'm gonna open it with you, the box, how it looks. So you can see it has come sealed in tape, so I have no clue what's in there. So I did see it on the internet, and I checked some reviews of the baggage before I placed my order. So this is like a replacement baggage. So I opened it. Okay, there's a little cardboard, and let's see what suitcase they've sent me. Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna put my scissors away. I'm gonna show it to you. Let's see how the suitcase comes. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is amazing, I love it. Very light and really, I love the size because it's not too big, not too small. Has several pockets. So I got this as my replacement baggage. So it's very easy. Thank you for watching and sharing my video with your family and friends. And this is the process of applying for a replacement baggage from Air Canada. Thank you. Have a good day.